Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the accident under Indian Penal Code 1860. I am going to discuss the introduction, meaning, essentials and the famous relevant cases. So let's start our video. First of all, we have to discuss the introduction. Accident under section 80 of the Indian Penal Code falls under the chapter of general exceptions. This article was made with the objective or of keeping in the mind the students of law who are nowadays in dire need of the material which simplify the law than complicating it. What is the meaning of accident? Accident, a word which is used in everyday life to indicate a course of events over which a person had no control over and which could not be avoided despite due diligence and care. Section 80 talks about accident as a general exception and which can be lead to avoidance of criminal punishment and liability if established fully before a court of law. Law does not intend to punish a man of the things over which he could possibly have no control over. A famous maxim, actus non facit reum nisi mansit rea, only work as a reminder that criminal law in order to punish seeks some kind of guilty mental element to punish a person. This implies that a person when does not intend and cannot even contemplate occurrence of a certain course of events cannot be held responsible for the happening of that event. Now we discuss the essentials of the accident. Nothing is an offense. While studying chapter 4, which talks of general exceptions, the phrase nothing is an offense appears frequently. The phrase has to be read with section 6 of the Indian Penal Code, which says that the offense be read subject to general exceptions as given under chapter 4. Hence, the phrase elucidates that when a particular situation fall under section 80 and satisfy the ingredients given, it will not be an offense. Second, done by accident or misfortune. Accident comes from the word accident, which means to happen or befall upon. Wherever we use this term in daily life, it usually reflects a course of events out of our control. As they say, accident happen. This indicates the core of this general exception that there was no fault of a party which lead to the unwanted consequence. The second term, misfortune, is synonym with bad luck or an event which was undesirable. Misfortunes are similar to accidents, but with the only difference that accident result in the harm to others, but misfortune may result in harm to the doer without any criminal intention or knowledge. Criminal intention or knowledge as reflected in the second constituent of the criminal law, mens rea, is one of the vital part which is necessary to make individual liable for his acts. Intention is when the accused bring about very result which it was his purpose to bring about. He is said to have acted intentionally. In criminal jurisprudence, it is presumed that a man intends the natural consequences of his acts. Knowledge, on the other hand, means an acquaintance with the fact for the truth pertaining to certain event. It involves awareness to the fact, belief or mental impression, and many offences under the IPC makes knowingly. Accidents and misfortunes, by their very nature, negate the presence of criminal intention or knowledge, and on his ground, the accused may be excused from criminal liability. Lawful act in a lawful manner. What is means? It is important that the act which was being done by lawful in a lawful manner and by lawful means. Besides the defense of section 87, consent, section 80, benefit was also given to the fact that where there was no foul play by the deceased and both the friends impliedly agreed to the accident injuries while going for each other. Now we discuss about the relevant cases. First important case was Tunda versus Rex. The accused and the deceased were friends who were wrestling fans and were engaged in a wrestling bout. While wrestling, the deceased had accidentally came in the contact with a concrete platform, resulting in injuries to the skull and eventual death. The accused was tried under Section 304 but later on convicted under Section 304A. He preferred an appeal to the Allahabad High Court, which held when the accused and deceased agreed to wrestle with each other, there was an implied consent on each part to suffer any accidental injuries. The injury was accidental and there was no foul play on the part of accused and hence is to be given the benefit under Section 80 and Section 87. Another famous case was Bhupendra Sinha versus State of Gujarat 1988. When the accused shoots his own colleague at a close range without knowing the identity of the target, this act reflects utter lack of care and caution, and hence the benefit under Section 80 will not be available to him. The above discussed relevant cases and the essential of the accident and meaning and introduction simplifies the term accident under Indian Penal Code 1860. I hope you like our video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment on our video. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.